Hey there, it's Riley doing the lava lamp experiment. Just looking here at, got a jar, vegetable oil, my Alka-Seltzer, and my assorted colors. So, get everything together here. Gonna get a quarter of water. Quarter of water. 3/4 of vegetable oil. So there's the vegetable oil. Food coloring. On my Alka-Seltzer tab. As you can see, it's mixing. I just drop it. Watch it work. So I believe the reaction is occurring due to the carbon dioxide that's in there from all the materials. And then it's going to stop because the carbon dioxide gas is gone, or all gone. But we can see the tablet down below here is still working. So now it's slowing down because the Alka-Seltzer is almost depleted. Not sure if you can really see that very well. So that means like the carbon dioxide gas is slowing down. So the carbon dioxide attach themselves to the blobs of colored water, and then that makes them surface and pop. So you can see like the carbon dioxide is basically fully done. The tablet is fully dissolved. So pretty cool. Pretty cool experiment.